Bonjour.
Bonjour. Good afternoon, ma'am.
Bonjour, dear. Comment allez-vous?
Bonjour, madame. Bonjour, madame. Je m'appelle Lebno. Ça va bien, merci. Ça va, merci. Bonjour, ma'am.
Bonjour, bonjour, dear.
Bonjour, madame. Bonjour, madame.
Bonjour.
Bonjour, madame.
Bonjour.
Bonjour.
Okay,
Bonjour,
that's enough.
madame.
Okay, enough. D'accord, très bien. You remember what we learned in the previous class? We completed?
Yes. Okay.
Right? D'accord. And we completed oui, madame, the merci, au revoir, these things we learned, and also we completed alphabets. And also we completed alphabets,
Yes,
right?
ma'am. Yes.
Très bien. D'accord. So now, now I am going to mute everyone.
Ma'am, can I say the letters?
You don't want, wait. Okay, I muted everyone. Now, today we are going to learn new topic. So because we already completed alphabets, now after alphabets, we are going to learn the new topic. Everyone, please close your textbook. Please close your textbook, everyone. Close. You don't have to write anything today. Please close your textbook. I will write some few things on the board. But if you want to write lecture notes, you can write in your rough book. If you want to write lecture notes, please write in your rough book. D'accord? Très bien. Please close your textbook, everyone. I don't want anyone of you to open your textbook. D'accord? I am going to share the screen. So today we are going to learn about accents. Today we are going to learn accents. Les accents. Les accents. A-C-C-E-N-T-S. Les accents means the accents. The accents. What are these accents? What are these accents? In every language, you will have the accents. In Malayalam, first we will learn letters. Okay, suppose this is the letter. Now, if I put the symbol like this, please, no one is allowed to use the, please don't touch the screen. Okay, now if I put this symbol, it will read like key. Now, if I put the symbol like this, chinnam, Malayalam, we will say chinnam. If I put this chinnam, this letter, we will read as ku. In Hindi also, we have symbols like this. Suppose the letter is ja. Ja. If I put one small symbol like this, it will be reading as z. Z. So like that, we in French also we have few symbols. In French also we have few symbols which will affect the pronunciation, of the word, of that letter. So for those symbols in French, we will call them accent. Les accents. Répétez s'il vous plaît. Répétez. Répétez means to repeat. Répétez s'il vous plaît means to repeat. Répétez s'il vous plaît. Les accents. Les accents. When I say, everyone listen. When I tell you to répéter, répétez s'il vous plaît, that means to repeat. Repeat. Okay? Les accents. Les accents. Richard, you are not responding. You are not replying. Les accents. Not Richard, sorry, Prithvi. Prithvi, read. Les accents. Repeat. Les accents. Répéter means to repeat. Les accents means the accents. So in French, there are total 5 French accents. There are in total 5 French accents. There are how many? 5 French accents. Okay, today we are going to learn the first one. First accent is laxo-ague. Laxo-ague. A-C-C-E-N-T. Laxo-ague. Laxo-ague is the first accent, and the symbol is like this. See everyone, look at the board. The symbol is like this, one small line. Please wait. Please wait. Some issue with the camera. Okay, right. So, laxo ague, see the symbol? Everyone look at the board. The symbol is like this, one small line like this. That is the laxo ague symbol. And you will be able to see laxo ague symbol only with letter E. Laxo ague only with letter E. One small line like this. One small line like this. See, on top of letter E, just put a small line like this. This is laxo ague. Now, when laxo ague will come, the pronunciation of E will change. Now, I want to ask you, I would like to ask you, how will you read letter E? We already practiced letter E pronunciation. Prithvi, are you listening properly? Prithvi? Letter E, how will you read letter E, pronounce letter E? I will, let me call. Okay, Elroy, tell me, how will you read letter E? Yuh, très bien. So, donc, letter E pronunciation is yuh. Letter E pronunciation is yuh. So that will change. That will change when laxo ague when come. That will change to pronunciation will be A. When laxo ague will come, yuh pronunciation of E will change to A. Répétez s'il vous plaît. A. A. Repeat everyone. A. Hyra, you are not repeating. A. Okay, A is a pronunciation when laxo ague will come along with letter E. Now, exemple en français. Exemple means example. Exemple en français means French word. Example in French is école. École. Répétez s'il vous plaît. École. École means school. École means school. École. Repeat everyone. École. L'autre exemple, another example. L'autre exemple est été. 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 Été means summer. Été means summer. Repeat everyone. Été. Stop playing there. Everyone, this is very important. Laxo ague is very important. Try to repeat and try to learn the pronunciation properly. Été. L'autre exemple. Baby. Baby is baby. Baby. Baby is baby. Another word. Zero. Zero. Zero is zero. 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 L'autre exemple, another example, one more. No, two examples, one or two examples. Fay. Fay. Repeat everyone. Fay means fairy. Fay is fairy. Fairy. Fay. Fay. Last example, last one. Exemple, say. Elephant. Elephant is elephant. Elephant. Repeat everyone. Elephant. Elephant. Très bien. Now I am going to unmute everyone. I want all of you to repeat after me. D'accord. École.
École.
Eite. Bay. Zero. Fei. Elephant. It is not, listen everyone, it is not elephant, elephant. Okay, I am going to mute everyone. Mute everyone. D'accord. It is not elephant, it is elephant. Elephant. Repeat everyone. Hear me carefully and try to pronounce A sound properly. A sound properly. So repeat everyone. A call. A call. The more you repeat, you will learn properly. Prithvi, sit properly. So who joined in the name of Payal? Payal Ramesh. Yeah, sit properly. What's your name? Unmute. What's your name? Unmute. I am not able to hear your voice.
Ma'am, I'm joining from my sister's device. Sometimes it's being stuck.
Your name is Prithvi, right?
Yes, ma'am, but sometimes the system is being stuck because it's another room.
Okay, I understand. Please sit properly there. You are playing, you are lying on the desk. Sit properly there. Okay? Yeah. Repeat everyone. A call. A call. A day. A day. Baby. Baby. Zero. Zero. Fei. Fei. Elephant. Elephant. After this, I am going to call everyone for reading these words. Okay. So now I am going to give you the meaning. A call means cool. A day means summer. Baby is baby. Zero is zero. Fei, fairy. Elephant. Elephant is elephant. Okay. So these are the words and the accent is like so ague. The ague symbol is a small line like this. You will be able to see an axo ague only with letter E and the sound pronunciation will be A. A. Please do read and practice these words. Later, after some time, I am going to call everyone for reading this. Okay. Now, yeah, these are the words. I will write only the words that you have to read. Wait. Pardon. Okay. A call. A day. Baby. Fei. Zero. Elephant. These are the words. Okay. A call. A day. Baby. Please stop talking there, Ritik. Ritik, listen here and practice. A call. A day. Baby. Fei. Zero. Elephant. Elephant. Okay, everyone. Okay. Yes. So that's it. Now I'm going to call you according to roll number wise. According to roll number wise, I am going to call you. So that time you have to unmute yourself and try to read. So first is Abel. Abel. First, Abel is going to read.
Will mother
Dakon, read.
a call
A call.
a call
A call.
a call
We.
a day
A. See that sound should be clearly audible. Not ete. A. Te.
a day
We.
bay
Baby.
baby
Mm.
say
Mm.
zero
Zero. We.
elephant
Elephant. Elephant.
elephant
Oui, très bien, très bien. Everyone, please keep your cameras on. Please keep your camera on. Everyone, Dakon, très bien. Abhinav.
oui madame
Dakko, Abhinav, read. Others, please do practice when I am correcting one person. Everyone, continue practicing. Read. A call. Hmm?
eight
Hmm?
baby
Hmm?
zero
Zero. See, you have to keep in your mind A sound. A. Read once again.
zero
Zero. We. On sweet. Elephant. After zero, it is elephant.
elephant
Elephant. Trebia. Everyone, when I am correcting one person, others please don't sit simply. Please do practice. Otherwise, when I call you also, you will repeat the same. If you want to read properly, please do practice. Abhinav, Trebia. On sweet say Abel CB. Abel CB. Abel absent. Dakko.
yes ma'am
Presso. Abel read. Read. A call. We on sweet. Look at the screen here. We, right. A. We on sweet. We on sweet. We
zero
We on sweet.
elephant
Elephant. Here last T will be silent. Elephant. Elephant. Don't lie. Elephant. Oui, très bien. Ensuite, c'est Alna.
oui madame
D'accord, Alna, read. A call. Oui. Hmm. Hmm. Come on. Fay. Oui.
zero
No, dear, it is not zero. Zero. Oui. Ensuite.
elephant
No, not elephant. Once again, try. Elephant. See the word elephant when you read, try to read slowly. Break it. Lay. Fawn.
Phone.
It is not fawn. Lay. Fawn.
Phone.
Très bien, très bien. Ensuite,
Merci,
c'est
madame.
bienvenue. Ensuite, c'est aman. Aman.
Yes, ma'am.
How will you say that in French? D'accord, d'accord, très bien. Read.
Ma'am.
We read dear.
One.
Read. A call.
Ma'am. Acorn.
We. Ensuite,
Acorn.
we.
Acorn.
Yes, dear. Continue. A tail.
What, ma'am? No clear.
Okay, Aman, that is because you are having network issue. Aman, your network is low. My voice is not reaching you. I will call you later, Aman. Please do read and practice. Ensuite, say Ananya.
Okay, ma'am.
Ananya. Ananya. Absent. Ensuite, say Avish. Avish.
Oui, madame.
D'accord, Avish, read. A call. A. See everyone, keep in your mind the sound is A.
Acorn.
We. Ensuite. Okay. Okay. You can please wait, Avish. Everyone, listen here. Listen here, everyone. One more time. We are going to practice. Listen. Okay. Repeat after me, everyone. A call.
Acorn. Acorn.
Please mute. Otherwise, no, it will be very disturbing everyone together when you say. I muted everyone. A call. A day. Baby. Fee. Zero. Abhinav, you are not repeating. Stop playing there. Elephant. Once again, a call. A day. Baby. Sangalp, read, repeat. Fay. Fay. Zero. Elephant. Elephant. One more time. A call. A day. Baby. Fay. Zero. Elephant. D'accord, très bien, très bien. Now I'll do one thing quickly. I will take the attendance and after that I will call your name for reading. I will call your name one by one so you can read. I'm going to call you randomly. You don't have to raise your hands. I'm going to call you randomly. Okay. Dong, Fardeen. Fardeen, unmute and read.
Yes, ma'am.
Oui, madame. Yes, ma'am. In French is oui, madame.
Oui, madame.
D'accord, read.
Echo.
Oui.
Echo.
A call.
Echo.
Il sound. A call.
Echo.
Oui. Ensuite.
Echo.
Oui. Continue.
Echo.
Continue, dear. Next one.
Ma'am, able series joined.
Okay, okay. D'accord, read.
Echo.
We continue. Next one.
Okay, ma'am. 8.
8.
8.
We. Ensuite.
B.
We. Ensuite.
P.
Fay.
P.
We.
0.
0.
Elephant.
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 Oui, très bien. Ensuite, c'est Lamis. Lamis, unmute and read.
And I am.
Lamis, unmute and read.
Yes. Can I leave?
Acorn.
Acorn.
Oui, ensuite. Eight. Please don't be silent. Try to read. Ensuite. Try to read by yourself because we practice many times.
Baby.
Oui, très bien. Ensuite. Fay. Ensuite.
0.
Oui, ensuite. Elephant. Elephant. Not con, fond. Elephant. Très bien. Ensuite, c'est Hamdan.
Yes.
Oui, madame. Yes, yes, oui. Oui, madame.
Oui, madame.
That can't read.
Acorn.
Oui.
Mm,
80.
80.
Très bien. Ensuite. Baby.
Baby.
Oui. Fay. Fay. Ensuite. Zero. Not zero. Zero. Oui. Ensuite. Elephant. Très bien, très bien. Donc, everyone, please do practice these words. I will be sharing audio clip of these words in your WhatsApp group. Please do practice along with the
Ma'am,
audio
can
clip.
Prayaga say? Ma'am.
Prayaga, today I won't be able to call everyone for practicing because it's almost time. That is why.
Ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
Yes, Kevin, what's your doubt?
Ma'am, that E-T-E, right?
Yes.
It is A-T or A-say?
8. Yes. Accent sounding is A. Yes. 8 means summer.
A-say.
Yes. Rukma?
Okay, ma'am. Rukma, no read.
Yeah, dear, I know everyone didn't read. There are many students who couldn't read today because it's already time. That is why I won't be able to call everyone today for reading. That is why. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. So everyone, please do practice these words. To repeat, but the more you practice, pronunciation will be clear for you. Okay, everyone. See you in the next class. At next class, I will start with new accent.
Bye, ma'am.
Au revoir.
Bye, ma'am.